Hi everyone. Here is 5-step approach for successful projects and assignments. Number 1. Start on the right foot. Gather all the knowledge you have and start with the right one which you think is perfect than other ideas. Number 2. Maintain innovation and motivation. Be innovative, apply new techniques, and motivate yourself by tracking new ideas from it. Number 3. Track progress of the project. See what you have done and what you should be including further. Number 4. Make smart decisions. Smart decisions always pay good, so be more accurate. Number 5. Conduct a post-mortem analysis. Conduct the analysis when the project is completed to see if anything is missing. So folks, I hope these steps will help you. For more study helping material, visit www.vustudentsupport.com.